Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel ML Pathway. My name is Tim, and today I'm gonna tell you about data scaling. Data scaling is very important part of data preparation for the future analysis. So for this purpose, I will use Google Colab Notebook. Link to this notebook you'll find in the description to that video. And in this video, I will tell you about most common data scaling techniques, then generate toy dataset. After that, with the visualizing examples, I will show you how works data scaling with standard scaler, MinMax Scaler and Robust Scaler. After that, I will tell you how to deal with data scaling during your work. So let's jump right in. First of all, we need to import required libraries, pandas, numpy, and standard scaler, MinMax Scaler, Winsorizing and Robust Scaler. So these four is very common used data scaling techniques. Mainly I use MinMax Scaler and standard scaler, less Winsorizing and Robust Scaler. Let's go. The exact math formula of each scaler you will find in the internet. My purpose for this video is to show you how scaling works visually, and I'm not going to tell you about math in that video. So generate toy data. It will be data frame with 4 columns in it. Column 1 with random data with random distribution. Column 2 with gamma distribution. Column 3 with gamma distribution and outlier. This digit 100 is outlier, and the class column. Here it is, our data frame. Here you can see our outlier, and now we are ready to go to the most interesting part of the video. I created this function to visualize each scaling technique, import it, and now we are ready to visualize our data frame with different scaling techniques. First, I will use standard scaler on the column 1. Let's go. Here it is. Here you can see distribution of the column 1. It's normal distribution. Here is original data frame, and here is scaled column. What changed? Distribution not changed, but the range of the data changed from 0 to 25 to -3 to 3 in that range. Box plot looks the same. What about column 2 and standard scaler? Here is not normal distribution, it's gamma distribution, left gamma distribution. What about data range from 0 to 300, and after scaling from -2 to 3? Box plot looks the same. What about column 3? Our column 3 with outlier in it. Here is outlier. Here is distribution. and the range of the data changed from 0 to 100 to 0 to 10. As we can see, standard scaler doesn't work well with outliers. Here is box plot. Box plot didn't change. The next one, MinMax Scaler. This type of scaler is most popular in the data science world. Let's run MinMax Scaler on column 1. Here it is, our distribution. Distribution changed from 0 to 1. Box plot didn't change. What about column 2? Here it is. Distribution looks like the same, and the range of data changed. It was from 0 to 300 and became from 0 to 1. What about column 3? Here it is, our outlier, and changed only the range of the data from 0 to 1. Now it's time to go to the next type of scaling. It's Winsorizing. Winsorizing, it's a type of MinMax scaling, but before MinMax scaling, we cut off the outliers. First of all, we need to define outliers and get rid of it. And after that, we use MinMax Scaler on our column 3, which contains outlier. Let's run and see what's happened. Here is our column 3 with original MinMax Scaler, how it works, and here is with Winsorizing. Our outliers became the value on the bound of our data range. And here is how changed our box plot from this with outlier to this. Here you can see the data from our column 3. What about robust scaler? Let's take a look to our histogram and box plot for the column 1. Here is distribution. It was from 0 to 25. It became from -2 to +2. Box plot didn't change. Column 2, as you can see, the range of the data changed from -1 to +3. And how it works with our outlier. Here you can see it was the range from 0 to 100, and it became from 0 to 25. So I told you about 4 types of data scaling and what to do with your data during your exploration. First of all, you need to generate your baseline model with any type of loss function and any type of quality metric. After that, you will get the result of your baseline model. For example, it'll be 10. After that, you will try different scaling techniques. For example, you start from standard scaler and then go to MinMax Scaler, Winsorizing, Robust Scaler. After that, you will get some results and can make a decision how your model works with different types of scaling. For example, your model may work well with standard scaler and may not work well with MinMax Scaler or vice versa. It depends on your data frame or depends of your data in general. So thanks for watching. I hope the video was useful for you, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, click to like button, or leave a comment below the video. All the link to this Google Colab notebook you will find at the description to this video. Thanks. It was Tim. Bye bye.